Amid opposition from certain quarters for holding the Cherry Blossom Festival on Sunday, leader of the opposition Ronnie V. Lingdo said that nobody is discouraging anybody from attending to their religious duties, and the Cherry Blossom Festival is not compulsory for everyone to attend. According to Lingdo, one has to look at the larger picture of things, and the festival is not for the domestic tourist, but for the tourists from outside, and perhaps more crowds can be drawn if those events are held on the weekends, which starts from Friday and ends on Sunday.
You see, there are two ways of looking at it. Okay. I think nobody is discouraging from attending to their religious duties. It's free for people who like to participate in that festival, and then it is not compulsory for everyone. Okay, because sometimes we have to look at the larger things. This is not merely for the domestic tourists. This is for the tourists from outside the state. So perhaps we can draw more crowds if those events are held at the weekends.